Here's how to fix a Google account that's temporarily locked and regain access as quickly as possible. Google temporarily locks accounts to protect you from suspicious activity. This can happen if you entered the wrong password too many times, logged in from a new device or location, triggered a security check, used third-party apps that violate Google's policies. The good news is, most temporary locks can be fixed within minutes. Google requires a short waiting period when a security lock occurs. In most cases, you can try signing in again after 24 hours. During this time, avoid entering passwords repeatedly. It resets the timer. For the best chance of success, try signing in using a device you've used before, a familiar Wi-Fi network, the same browser where you previously stayed logged in. Google trusts recognized locations and will often unlock your account faster. After waiting, open any browser and go to g.co/recover. This is the official Google account recovery tool. Enter your email and follow the prompts. You may be asked for your recovery email, phone number, or a verification code. Answer as accurately as possible. This increases your chances of unlocking the account. If Google detected unusual activity, you may need to remove unsafe apps. Open a trusted device and go to myaccount.google.com/security. Manage third-party access. Revoke access to any apps you don't recognize. Once your account is unlocked, immediately go to Security, Password, Change. Password. Create a strong new password and remove old devices from your Google account. And that's it. Follow these steps and your Google account should be unlocked safely.